Namaste and welcome back to Our Groom. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of dairy products to explore the difference between Indian Dahi and yogurt. If you are a BSc student or simply curious about the science behind these culinary delights, you have come to the right place, so let's get started. Before we dive into the differences, let's establish a common understanding. Both Indian dahi and yogurt are cultured dairy products obtained through a similar fermentation process involving milk and a specific bacterial strain. However, there are some key factors that set them apart. In India, dahi has a rich cultural history and is an integral part of traditional cuisine. It is made up of fermenting milk using a specific bacterial culture such as Lactobacillus aeroplus Streptococcus thermophilus. The process involves heating milk and allowing it to cool to a lukewarm temperature. Then a small quantity of previously prepared dahi or starter culture is added, initiating the fermentation process. On the other hand, the process of making yogurt involves fermenting milk using a bacterial culture Lactobacillus delbrucoccus species bulgarius and Streptococcus thermophilus. Unlike dahi, yogurt is typically made by heating the milk to the higher temperature and adding the bacterial culture directly. Now let's examine the difference between Indian dahi and yogurt in the terms of their taste, texture, health benefits, preparation method, fermentation culture, and culinary uses. First, taste. Dahi. Indian dahi has a slightly tangy and creamy flavor with a hint of sweetness. The taste can vary depending on the bacterial culture used and the fermentation time. Yogurt. Yogurt has a milder and a slightly sour taste compared to dahi. It is often described as a refreshing and a smooth consistency. Second, texture. Dahi. Dahi has a thick custard-like texture, tends to be creamer and may even develop a layer of cream on the top during fermentation. Yogurt. Yogurt has a smoother and a firmer texture with a consistency that can range from thin and pourable to thick and spongeable. Third, health benefits. Dahi. Indian dahi is also known for its probiotic properties, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. It is also a good source of protein, calcium, and essential vitamins. Yogurt. Yogurt, like dahi, contain probiotics that support gut health. It is often consumed for its high protein content, calcium, and vitamin B12, which are beneficial for overall well being. Fourth, preparation method. Dahi. Dahi is traditionally prepared by fermenting milk with a starter culture called dahi culture or dahi seed. This culture consists of a live bacteria, mainly Lactobacillus strains, which initiate the fermentation process. The milk is heated to certain temperature, cooled and then inoculated with a dahi culture. It is typically allowed to ferment at a warm temperature for several hours until it thickens and develops a tangy flavor. Yogurt. Yogurt, on the other hand, is made up by fermenting milk with a specific combination of bacterial culture, which is typically include Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacillus delbrucoccus species bulgarius. These cultures are usually available in commercial starter culture or yogurt starter packets. The milk is heated, cooled, and then inoculated with the starter culture. It is inoculated at a specific temperature for a set period, typically around 4 to 8 hours until it reaches a desired consistency. Fifth, fermentation culture. Dahi. Dahi culture often contain a mix of different bacterial strains, including Lactobacillus aerophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and others. These cultures are often passed down through generations, with each batch of dahi serving as a starter for the next batch. Yogurt. Yogurt culture primarily consists of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrucoccus species bulgarius. These cultures are specially selected for their ability to produce a consistent and desired texture, flavor, and acidity in yogurt. 6. Culinary use. Dahi. Dahi is a staple in Indian cuisine and it is commonly used in various dishes like raita and lassi and as a base of marinating meat. It is used as a topping for desserts. Yogurt. Yogurt is widely used in both Western and Eastern cuisine. It is commonly used as a snack, used in the smoothies, salad dressing, baked goods, and base for sauces and dips. Although both Indian dahi and yogurt are fermented dairy products, they vary in the preparation, culture, taste, texture, and culinary use. Understanding these differences can help appreciate the unique characteristics and cultural significance of each product. Whether you prefer a creamy richness of dahi or a smoother consistency of yogurt, both are delicious and nutritious options to include in your diet. That's all for the today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of Indian dahi and yogurt. If you find this information helpful, give up a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science related content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching and until next time keep exploring and learning.